So what I have here is a bond of hydrogen and oxygen. So the formula for this is H2O2, because you have two red oxygen bonds here and two hydrogen bonds on the end. Now, this particular process here deals with how electrons actually lose and gain within a formula. And in one of my videos, we talk about oxidation and reduction processes. And so if you don't know what video I'm talking about, check it out. It's on YouTube. But this is the thing with oxidation processes. Hydrogen peroxide is known for doing a lot of different things, gaining and losing those electrons. And when you have that process happening, you have things like, let's say, hair dyeing. If you want to bleach your hair, let's say I want to go from my black hair color to purple. Well, I have to lift the melanin pigment that's in my hair. So in order for that to happen, I have to dye it this platinum blonde color. I've done that before. I have no desires to do that again. So anywho, and it's a process. Now, when you do that, you are oxidizing the melanin in your hair, which results in that bright color that you see. Some people love wearing blonde hair, which is fine. Do you, boo? So when they do that, they're actually depleting the amount of melanin in their hair, and so that's how they're able to lay another color onto the hair follicles to get whatever color they want, whether it's purple, blue, green, the rainbow, whatever you want to do. Now, here's the other thing you have to keep in mind. If you are wanting to, let's say chemically bleach your teeth, because that process does occur too, that's an oxidation process where you are using hydrogen peroxide to whiten your teeth, to then oxidize the stain, which is the coffee stains or whatever stains you have on your teeth. Most likely it's coffee, you know, because we always like to drink coffee, okay? And that stains your teeth. Little FYI note about even dealing with coffee stains on your teeth. You should never ever brush your teeth right after drinking coffee, because your enamel pores are still open, and what that does is it'll actually make your teeth softer to scrub off the enamel. You can't see it at first, but over a period of time of doing that, that will happen. So this is one thing that they always recommend. If you're going to do something like, let's say, drinking lemon water, for instance, you want to use a straw so that all of that acid won't actually go straight to your teeth, full throttle, okay? So those are just a few little tips on how oxidation processes work in real life. One other thing, you may have noticed, let's say, iron rusting. That is an oxidation process, because you have iron that originally was Fe, plus 3 charge, that then oxidizes because it attaches to the oxygen molecules and it forms iron 2 oxide. So, yeah, iron 2 oxide. So you're talking about the reduction of your iron particles, iron atoms, okay? So those are just some different examples of oxidation process and reduction process. One more thing I forgot to mention. So if you have questions about how to write oxidation, reduction, chemical reactions, come holler at me and I can get you straight. Because let me tell you, A lot of students are trying to go through this process of trying to understand the difference between oxidation versus reduction. And sometimes we get those, let's say, processes mixed up, okay? But I got some tips and tricks to help you get on the right track, okay? Come holler at me. And look, if you connect with me to get some tutoring services, the first one is on me. I give away all the good goods for free $99 for the first session, and then anything after that is on you, okay? Remember, put your girl on retainer for the duration of the semester so that if you need me, you got me, all right? Peace.